You look at the stars and feel small, lost in an infinite void. But what if the secret of the universe's beginning wasn't discovered by a telescope, but was written in a desert 1400 years ago? Today, science is finally catching up to the truth. This isn't just ancient text, it's a guided map to reality.
In 2026, our understanding of physics is reaching a breaking point. We are finding complexity where we expected chaos. Yet, for over a millennium, a single book has remained unchanged, waiting for us to develop the tools to understand its depth.
We are about to journey through revelations that defy human explanation. These are not metaphors, they are precise descriptions of the physical world. Let us begin with the very fabric of space.
For centuries, we believed the universe was static. But in the 1920s, Edwin Hubble proved it was expanding. Look at how the Quran described this process with startling precision.
And the heaven we constructed with strength, and indeed, we are its expander.
The Arabic word used is musyun, derived from the root awsa, meaning to whiten or expand. It is a continuous present participle. It doesn't just say God expanded it, it says He is expanding it. This perfectly aligns with modern astrophysics.
Think about the iron in your blood and the steel in our skyscrapers. We assumed it was forged here on Earth. Science now tells us a different story. We have already sent our messengers with clear evidences and sent down with them the scripture and the balance, that the people may maintain their affairs in justice. And we sent down iron, wherein is great military might and benefits for the people, and so that Allah may make evident those who support Him and His messengers unseen. Indeed, Allah is powerful and exalted in might. The Quran uses the word anzalna, meaning we sent down. Modern science confirms that iron was not formed on Earth. It was synthesized in giant stars and delivered via supernovae. It literally fell from the heavens.
Now, we see mountains as heavy masses sitting on top of the ground, but geologists now realize they are much more than what meets the eye. They are like pegs, keeping the crust stable.
And the mountains as stakes. The word used is autad, meaning stakes. Just like a tent peg, most of a mountain's mass is hidden underground, acting as a root to stabilize the Earth's crust. This is the exact principle of isostasy.
Now, look at the heavens. For a long time, we thought the sun was stationary while the planets moved, but we were wrong. The sun has its own path.
And it is He who created the night and the day, and the sun and the moon. All heavenly bodies in an orbit are swimming. The Quran uses the word yasbahun, meaning to swim or float. It describes the sun and moon in an orbit. Today, we know the sun orbits the galactic center at 720,000 kilometers per hour. It is truly swimming through space. Deep beneath the ocean's surface, where no sunlight can reach, there is a world of layers. Mariners of old could never have known what lies in the abyss.
Or they are like darknesses within an unfathomable sea, which is covered by waves, upon which are waves, over which are clouds, darknesses, some of them upon others. When one puts out his hand therein, he can hardly see it. And he to whom Allah has not granted light, for him there is no light.
The verse describes internal waves, waves above waves. Until recently, we didn't know that internal waves exist at density interfaces between water layers. They are invisible to the naked eye, yet the Quran named them precisely. The development of a human life is the ultimate miracle. Before microscopes existed, how could anyone describe the microscopic stages of a fetus? Then we made the sperm drop into a clinging clot, and we made the clot into a lump of flesh, and we made from the lump bones, and we covered the bones with flesh. Then we developed him into another creation. So blessed is Allah, the best of creators.
The term alaka has three meanings: a leech, a suspended thing, and a blood clot. Amazingly, a 24-day-old embryo looks exactly like a leech. It clings to the uterus, and its blood does not circulate yet. A triple linguistic miracle.
When we lie or make a mistake, what part of our body is responsible? Modern neurology points to one specific area, the prefrontal cortex, located right behind your forehead.
No, if he does not desist, we will surely drag him by the forelock.
The Quran describes the nasiya, the front of the head, as lying and sinful. We now know the prefrontal cortex is the center for decision-making and motivation. It is where lies are forged.
These proofs show that the creator of the universe is the author of this book. Science and faith are not enemies. Science is simply the tool we use to reveal the miracles of faith. Reflect on these signs and let your heart find certainty.